Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into it. So right now my hair is blow dried straight. I washed it today about an hour ago, and I blow dried it. So we're just gonna wait for the flat iron to warm up for a bit. I usually have it at about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the maximum height for the straightener. So that's the temperature setting that I put it at. So yeah, so we're just gonna part my hair. You can see this is about how much I leave down, and then I just part it down the middle, and I'm gonna start with the bottom layer first. So I find that clipping my hair into sections really helps to make it easier for me to curl my hair with a straightener or with any really styling tool, and it also just helps you not, miss any pieces when you are styling your hair. Yeah, so as you can see, I have it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'll do is I'm gonna section this in half, and I'm gonna get the straightener, and I'm going to place it at the top part of my hair. Make sure it goes in between the plates, and then I just slide down, and then like midway through the hair shaft I'll twist it in and I'll curl it down, and then I'll just use my fingers to curl that, and there you go, you have a bouncy little wave. Really cute. So we're gonna just go through that one more time. Actually, here's the little trick that I do. So I usually make sure my thumb is like facing my window, so in this case I guess facing the camera. So when you're doing this at home, make sure that wherever wall you're facing, whether it's the mirror or whatever it is, when you put the iron on your hair, that you twist it this way so that your thumb is sticking, so that your thumb is facing the wall, and that way when you go to twist, it's much easier for you to do so. So again, just slide down slowly and then twirl it, and there you go, you have your little wave. So then I'll just place that to the back like that, and I'll move on to the next one. So again, this is the iron. Grab onto it to however you feel comfortable. When you put it into your hair, make sure that your thumb is sticking or is facing whichever wall you are in, and then you're gonna slide down just like so. So you see you have a really pretty bouncy curl there. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So we have really pretty bouncy waves at the end, nice smooth top all the way down to pretty much the end of the hair. So I absolutely love this curl. Sometimes I don't want like super wavy, like beachy waves. I want something more simple, yet really cute, and just like an effortless look, almost like as if my hair was naturally just like this beautifully bouncy. I really like that effect that it gives the hair. So we've done this side, so now we're gonna move on again to the right. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few more of how I do this, and then we're just gonna do a quick speed through. Make sure that my forefingers are facing down when I place the plates between my hair, and then I flip up so that my forefingers are facing the ceiling, and I slide down. And there you go, pretty little bouncy curl. Place that to the back, and then I'll move on to grabbing my other inch of hair. So about that much. And then again, once more, make sure that my forefingers are facing down. Place the plates there, twist, forefingers are facing up, and then I slide down slowly with pressure. Twist it, and then once more, flip, and then twist, and there you go, perfect little bouncy curl. feel like a robot. I keep saying the same thing, but I hope you guys are finding this helpful. I know that when it comes to doing my hair, I would say that I'm not the strongest at styling my own hair, and I've definitely had to, you know, go through trial and error to find what works for me, and how to like use tools properly to achieve like a pretty wave depending on the kind of look you want. So it definitely takes practice. Definitely took me looking up like how to properly do it. So when I finally mastered it, I definitely wanted to share the knowledge with you guys, because I know it can be tricky, especially when it comes to figuring out like how to properly like flip a flat iron to get the kind of curl you want. So I hope these instructions are helpful. So once more, again, working on the right side of my hair. 4 fingers facing down, put the plates on the hair, flip, 4 fingers facing up, and then slide down with a slight pressure. And you want to go slowly, because if you do it fast, you're not going to get that curl. Perfect. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the look after curling my hair. I absolutely love the curls that this flat iron gives. Like, honestly, such an amazing tool. Super easy. I definitely think that the shape of the way this iron was made helps with being able to achieve these perfect curls, just because you see how it has like those curved in edges, so that definitely makes it easier for you to do those twists with your hair to be able to achieve these curls. Gives it an effortless, very smooth, absolutely no frizz at all look, which I absolutely love. I hate when I curl my hair and my hair still looks frizzy after, so I absolutely love that I can achieve healthy looking bouncy curls with this flat iron without the frizziness. It completely eliminates it and gives me beautiful bouncy curls such as this one. Absolutely love it. So to finish off the look, I usually just spray a little bit more of my texturizing spray, and then I just usually brush my hair. I like to put it in the roots to really just add some texture to these curls, and then I just kind of brush it in my hair like that. Just adds so much more volume to your hair. Really gives you like those like Hollywood sort of Victoria's Secret beach balm like curls. Absolutely love it. And then to finish off the look, I go in with my NuME Gloss Boss Serum. So this smells absolutely delicious. It smells like vanilla. It smells so good. So I'll usually put like 2 to 3 drops on my palm of my hand, and then I like sort of scrunch it into my hair, and this just adds like a beautiful shine to my hair. Leaves it soft, any flyaways just tames them down, and just adds a shine. So absolutely love that. So I'll probably do 2 pumps, so about that much. Oops. And then I warm that up in my hands. It smells so good. And then I'll just scrunch that into my hair, like so. And then I'll just put it at the top a bit to just flatten those flyaways. But you see like all that like body that a straightener just gave to my hair. You would never think that I would have achieved these curls with a straightener. So I would definitely recommend the straightener. It honestly works really well straightening your hair as well. If you guys want to see how it works straightening your hair, let me know and I'll definitely film a video for you guys so you guys can see how it straightens hair as well. Yep, but that is the finished look, guys. I am like so in love with my hair. I cannot believe this tool honestly is amazing. Absolutely would recommend the NuME hair straightener. It's awesome. Like, I absolutely love my curls, and the best part is they last all week, so I don't have to worry about, you know, straightening my, or curling I should say, my hair later on in the week to refreshen the curls. So I absolutely love it. So anyways, guys, if you guys liked this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more videos about hair, whether that's how to different ways to style your hair, or like my hair care routine. That's something that I've been thinking about filming for you guys. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see my hair care routine, in terms of like what I use to wash my hair, the types of mask I use, and what I just do in general to take care of my hair. So please let me know. I'll also leave a link down below of where you guys can purchase the NuME Gloss Boss serum. This stuff is amazing as well. Absolutely love the shine that it gives my hair, and I love the smell of it as well, and it just makes your hair feel very nourished and soft as well. So absolutely love that. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.